Greetings of the day. Today's topic is effects of force. You cannot see a force, but you can feel a force and see the effects of the force. A force can produce the following effects. A force can move a stationary object, that is object at rest state. Examples: first, a toy car can be made to move by giving it a little push. Second, if we kick a stationary football kept on the ground, then the football starts moving. The force of our foot makes the stationary football to move. Third, force can move stationary objects like chair. It can cause objects to move. All these are examples show that the force can cause motion in a stationary objects. However, it is not necessary that a force always makes a stationary object move. For example, a man tried to push the wall and a child tried to push a tree. They will not move because the force applied is not sufficient to move the wall or a tree. Force can stop a moving object. Examples: first, a bicycle can be stopped by applying the brakes. Second example, in football, the force is applied by the goalkeeper to stop the ball hitting towards the goal. Third, a fielder in cricket catches the moving ball. So, force can stop a moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Examples in cricket: when a batsman hits the ball with his bat, the direction of the moving ball changes. Similarly, when a tennis player returns a service, uses force to change the direction of ball. In the game of carom, when we take a rebound, then the direction of striker changes because the edge of the carom board exerts a force on the striker. From these examples, we conclude that a force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. Force can change the speed of a moving object. Examples: first, when a hockey player hits a moving ball, the speed of ball increases. Second example, when more force is applied on the pedal by a person, speed of the cycle increases. Third example, when a person pushes a moving swing, it moves faster, and when a person pulls the swing in opposite direction, it slows down. So force can change the speed of a moving object. A force can change the shape and size of an object. Examples: first, the shape of toothpaste tube changes when we squeeze it because we apply force while squeezing it. Second example, if we take a spring and pull it at both the ends with hands, then the shape and size of the spring changes. The force of hands changes the shape and size of the spring. Third example, while making chapatis, we change the shape of the dough by applying force with our hands. Fourth example, the shape and size of a balloon changes when it is filled with air because the weight of air exerts force on the walls of the balloon from inside. Therefore, we can conclude that force is a push or pull which produce effects on shape and size, motion, direction and speed of an object.